Did you know that what you choose to put on your plate could significantly impact your health, the environment, and even the global economy? Today, we're diving into the great debate: vegetarian versus non-vegetarian diets. Which one truly reigns supreme? Stick around, because the answer might surprise you. Two friends, Sarah and Mike, are sitting in a bustling cafe. Sarah, a dedicated vegetarian, sips her green smoothie, while Mike enjoys a hearty steak. They're engaged in a friendly but heated debate about their dietary choices. This scene plays out daily across the globe, reflecting a growing interest in how our food choices affect our health and the world around us. But what's the real story behind these dietary decisions? Let's embark on a journey to uncover the truth, backed by science and sprinkled with surprising facts that might just change the way you think about your next meal. Vegetarianism isn't just a modern fad. Did you know that some of history's greatest minds, like Leonardo da Vinci and Albert Einstein, were vegetarians? Today, this lifestyle is gaining momentum like never before. In recent years, we've seen a significant surge in plant-based diets. A 2018 Gallup poll found that 5% of Americans consider themselves vegetarians. But what's driving this green revolution? Let's start with the heart. Quite literally. Research suggests that vegetarian diets can be a boon to cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that vegetarians tend to have lower blood pressure and a reduced risk of heart disease. But it's not just about the heart. Vegetarian diets have been linked to lower risks of type 2 diabetes, certain types of cancer, obesity. These findings are pretty impressive, right? But before we declare vegetarianism the undisputed champion, let's hear the other side of the story. Non-vegetarian diets, which include meat, fish, and poultry, have been the norm for much of human history. And there's a good reason for that. Animal products are nutrient powerhouses. One of the biggest arguments for non-vegetarian diets is the protein factor. Animal-based foods are complete proteins, meaning they contain all the essential amino acids our bodies need. They're also rich in vitamin B12, iron, zinc. These nutrients are crucial for everything from energy production to immune function. But here's where it gets interesting. While it's true that these nutrients are abundant in animal products, it doesn't mean vegetarians can't get them too. It just requires a bit more planning. Now, let's put these diets head-to-head in a nutritional battle royale. Non-vegetarian diets often have the edge when it comes to protein quantity and quality. However, vegetarians can meet their protein needs through a variety of plant sources like legumes, nuts, and whole grains. It just requires a bit more attention to ensure all essential amino acids are consumed. Here's where things get interesting. Vegetarian diets tend to be higher in fiber, magnesium, potassium, vitamins C and E. On the flip side, non-vegetarian diets often provide more vitamin B12, zinc, iron, in its more easily absorbed form. But remember, with proper planning, both diets can provide all necessary nutrients. Now, let's zoom out and look at the broader impacts of these dietary choices. Vegetarian diets generally have a lower environmental footprint. They require less land, water, and energy to produce. However, it's not as simple as saying all plant-based foods are environmentally friendly. Factors like food miles and farming practices also play a role. For many, vegetarianism is an ethical choice based on animal welfare concerns. This is a deeply personal decision that goes beyond health considerations. But what if we didn't have to choose sides? Enter flexitarianism, a diet that's primarily plant-based, but occasionally includes meat or fish. This approach combines the benefits of both worlds and might be more sustainable for many people. I was a strict vegetarian for years, says nutrition expert Dr. Jane Smith. But I found that incorporating small amounts of fish into my diet improved my energy levels significantly. It's all about finding what works for your body. Regardless of which diet you choose, here are some tips to maximize its benefits. For vegetarians, 1. Ensure adequate protein intake from diverse plant sources. 2. Consider B12 supplements or fortified foods. 3. Combine iron-rich foods with vitamin C for better absorption. For non-vegetarians, 1. Choose lean meats and fish over processed meats. 2. Incorporate more plant-based meals into your week. 3. Pay attention to portion sizes, especially with red meat. So, which diet is healthier? The truth is, both vegetarian and non-vegetarian diets can be healthy or unhealthy depending on how they're implemented. The key lies in variety, balance, and mindful eating. Research suggests that plant-based diets, including well-planned vegetarian diets, offer numerous health benefits and are associated with lower risks of chronic diseases. However, a balanced non-vegetarian diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, while limiting processed meats, can also be very healthy. Ultimately, the best diet is one that you can stick to long-term, that meets your nutritional needs, and aligns with your personal values and lifestyle. As we wrap up, remember this: the food on your plate is more than just fuel. It's a choice that impacts your health, the planet, and even the lives of others. So, the next time you sit down for a meal, take a moment to consider the bigger picture. Your choices matter more than you might think. Remember, whether you're Team Veggie like Sarah or Team Omnivore like Mike, the most important thing is to make informed, mindful choices about what you eat. After all, we are what we eat. So let's make it count. Thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Fact Wallet community for more insightful content. Your support helps us bring you the best facts and information. See you in the next video.